Want to change your Instagram username? In this video, I will show you exactly how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you will be able to find your current username. If you want to change that, tap on the edit profile option. Now you have two options here, name and username. If you want to change your name as well as your username, you can do that. But if you only want to change your username, tap on the username option. Now go ahead and change that. Now if this username has not been taken, you will be able to find the checkmark option at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on that. Remember, you can edit your username up to 5 times in 30 minutes. As you can see, your username has been successfully changed, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.